Got the 25-pound block of ice, frozen gallon, both up on the wire baskets. Let's fire it up. $25-pound block of ice, frozen gallon jug. They're both up on these small wire baskets that's holding them just off the bottom. Fully lined with reflectors on the bottom, the top, and the sides. Got the two 4-inch vents and super strong turbo fan in the back. On the inside, you can see I fully lined it with the reflectix on the bottom, the sides, and the underside. And I got the two small, narrow wire baskets in there. That's going to hold the ice jugs and the ice blocks off the bottom so we can get like full coverage of the air all around the ice for maximum cooling. Just drop some frozen gallon jugs in there, some ice blocks, and pop the fan on. Alright, and there's the power source. Two small 1-amp solar panels. Wire comes in the door, over to here, up to here, over to the fan. Beautiful. If you don't want to use the solar, you can always just go with the battery. Thing's working awesome. Super powerful. And again, totally solar powered right now. Reaching all the way across the room. Then I just went ahead and cut down some reflectix and glued it in. Beautiful. Came out great. And a little on the underside too. That's what I used to glue it in. Helps keep the cold in and the heat out. And just load it up with either ice blocks or the frozen gallon jugs. Fits in perfect. There's your air temp. That hit the ice. When it hits the ice, it goes into the 20s. It's normally putting out mid-30s to 40. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Quick shot of the Celsius. You can't always say that these ice-based air coolers like cool the whole room. This one is definitely cooling this whole room. Kind of unique fan. Totally worth getting though. Those fans are usually about $20 to $25. You can pick it up on Amazon. It's an Atwood 4000. Actually, it's called an Atwood Turbo 4000. "12-volt DC motor, very powerful fan, much more powerful than a desk fan. Check this out. You actually have to hold it before you turn it on. Listen to that. That's crazy powerful. These fans are great.